Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you modeling of G+2 building with penthouse by using StatPro V8i software. So for that, initially go to StatPro software here, click on StatPro software. Click on new project here. So select your spacing option here. Give the file name. Just I'm assuming it as G+2 penthouse building pent. So save your file location here. Just I'm saving my file location to G+2p. Click on OK. So here we need to select the length units will be in meter as well as force units will be in kilonewton. Click on next button. Click on finish button. The software will be open like this. So it will be consisting of 10 number of grid lines in x direction distance and 10 number of grid lines in y direction distance. So keep your structure in front view. So here we need to model the G+2 building with the penthouse case. So for that, initially go to geometry here. Click on run structure wizard option here. So here we need to select the model type option. Just I'm selecting it as frame models here. So in this frame models, we have to select the bay frame models here. So here we need to enter the values of the length, height and width of the building and number of bays along length direction, number of bays along height direction, number of bays along width direction. So for this building, just I'm assuming length will be consisting of 9 meter. So again we have to enter the height. So just I'm taking G+2 building. So nothing but 3 multiplied by 3 plus penthouse is 3, which is equal to 12 meter. So after that we need to assume the width of the building. Just I'm considering it as 15. So after that we need to enter the number of bays along length direction. Just I'm taking it as 3. Again we have to enter the number of bays along height direction. Just I'm taking it as 4. Again we have to enter the number of bays along width direction. So just I'm taking it as 5. Click on apply. So this is my building model. So we need to import this respective structure model from structure wizard software to StatPro software. So for that, click on cancel button here. So here we need to click on S button. Click on OK. Now the model is imported to respected StatPro software here. So after that, click on hide snap node beam. So keep your structure in 3D view. So now we need to delete all unnecessary beams and column sections for the penthouse case. So for that, initially keep the structure in front view. Go to cut section command here. Click on select to view option. Click on OK. So here we need to select the top portion for this respected building case. So after that, keep your structure in top view. Now we have to delete all unnecessary beams and column sections at the top story. So just I'm selecting these members for this respected beams and column section. Click on delete option. Click on S button. So after that, click on OK. Now the model is deleted with the beams and column sections. So after that, click on host structure command here. So this is the host structure command for this respected building. So here we need to add the slab section for this respected building. So for that, keep your structure in front view. Go to cut section command. Click on select to view option. Click on OK. So here we need to cut the ground story for this respected house. Again click on isometric view option. So here we need to select add 4 node plate option. Select your first point, select your second point, select your third point, again select your fourth point. Now we need to select the plate cursor option. Just I'm selecting this respected plate. So here we need to select the transitional repeat option. Now we need to copy this respected plate to the remaining 2 steps here. Just I'm taking the steps as 2. So each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So after that, select this respected plates. Again go to transitional repeat in Z direction. So here we need to copy this respected place in Z direction here, which is consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So here we need to enter the number of steps are 4 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So after that, click on host structure command. Now we need to copy the respected 4 node plates to the remaining 2 stories. So select your respected plate cursor option. Just I'm selecting all the plates here. So go to select in transitional repeat option. Again in Y direction. Now we need to copy this respected plates to the remaining 2 steps here. This time taking it as 2 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So after that, we need to create the 4 node plate at the top story for this respected building. So for that, select your add 4 node plate option. Select first point, second point, third point, fourth point. So after that we need to copy this respected plate to the remaining sections here. Select plate cursor option. Next I'm selecting this respected plate, transitional repeat. So here we need to copy this respected plates to the remaining 2 steps here, and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So here we need to select this respected plates. Again transitional repeat in y direction. Number of steps will be 1 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter here. Click on OK. So after that we need to see this respected model in rendering view. Click on rendering view option. So this is my rendering view for this respected G+2 building with a penthouse. So it will be consisting of 12 meter length and 15 meter width, and height will be consisting of 12 meter for this respected house. So for this building we need to add the properties for this respected G+2 building. So properties are nothing but selection of beam size, column size as well as slab thickness for this respected building. So initially we need to define the dimensions of the beam, column and slab. So further go to general option here. So here we need to click on define option here. So here we need to select the rectangular shape. So just we need to assume the values of the YD and ZD. So here we need to select the values here. Just I am selecting it as 0.23 cross 0.4 is my column size. Click on add button. So after that we need to define the beam size thickness. Just I am taking it as 0.23 cross 0.23. Click on add button. Close option. So after that select the thickness option. So here I am taking thickness will be consisting of 125 mm. Click on add button. Close option. So after that we need to assign these respected properties for this respected building. So select your 0.23 by 0.4. Go to select option here. We need to select the beams which are parallel to y direction for the column cross section by using assign to selected beams option. Assign yes. So after that select the 0.23 by 0.3. Go to select here beams parallel to x direction option. Again go to select option, beams parallel to z direction. Click on assign to selected beams option. Assign yes. So after that select the plate thickness option here. With the help of assign to view option we need to assign the plate thickness of 125 mm for this respected structure. Assign yes. So now the properties were assigned for this respected structure. So after that click on modeling option. Now we need to see this respected whole model in rendering view. So for that click on rendering view option here. So this is my G+2 building with the penthouse, which is consisting of 0.23 cross 0.3 is the beam size and 0.23 cross 0.4 is the column size and 125 mm is the slab thickness for this respected building. So after this we need to apply the supports for this respected structure. So for that initially we need to create the fixed supports here. For that go to general option here, click on supports option. So here we need to create the fixed supports initially. Click on create option here. Now we need to select the fixed supports here. Click on add button. So select your support 2. We need to select all the node points at the base for this respected structure. So for that again we need to select in front view for this respected building. Now we need to select all the node points here. Just I am selecting all the node points like this. So after that we need to check whether the node points of base are selected or not. So for that we need to click on isometric view here. So here all my node points were created for this respected structure. So click on assign to selected nodes option. Assign yes. So now the fixed supports were assigned for this respected building. So after that we need to assign the materials for this respected structure. So materials, just I am assuming it as concrete section. So select your materials option here. Select the concrete option here. With the help of assign to view option we need to apply the whole materials for this respected section. Assign to view option. Assign yes. So now the materials were assigned for this respected structure. So this is the modeling process G+2 building with penthouse by using StatPro V8i software. So in my upcoming video I will explain you how to apply the load cases for this respected structure like dead load, live load, floor load, earthquake load as well as wind load for this respected building as per Indian standard system. So I will design the beam as well as column and foundation by using StatPro V8i software. Thank you.